life. Since I currently work a 9 to 5, essentially my weekends are the time that I get to myself. So I'm going to show you guys how I spend my weekends and essentially how I balance being productive and again having time to myself. It's around 12:30 and I'm on my way to go get brunch. I was going to say breakfast, but I guess this is brunch. Hopefully you guys can hear me because I feel like I'm yelling because I feel like it's loud. But I haven't eaten anything yet today and I'm hungry, so I'm excited for this. So I'll see you guys when we get there. I'm actually so excited for this. I'm so hungry. The syrup machine, we get it. If you guys watched my last video, you would have saw I set up my car tripod and I'm loving this right now. Like, it's up and it's stuck. I forgot I wanted to show my outfit. I feel like my outfit's so cute. I feel like I look real cute right now. Cute. Good morning. Today is Sunday and we're about to make some French toast. I didn't end up vlogging at all for the rest of the day yesterday. I kind of took it as a chill day. When I came back from brunch, I pretty much was just chilling. And then when it came to around dinner time, I meant to film and then I forgot. But I ended up going to the store, buying some stuff for spaghetti because I was craving spaghetti. So I was supposed to record me going to the store and then me making it. And I forgot both times. But today we're making French toast. Just really is the answer sometimes, because the way I planned out this whole weekend to be productive, like I had a lot of productive things and a little 1-2 like chill things, and I don't want to do any of them. I have to clean my space. I have to run to the store and get some more body wash. I also wanted to film a YouTube video. I also wanted to film some TikToks, and I just don't want to do any of that right now. But I feel like I just have to start doing things and stop thinking about it. But then I'm just here like, okay, but what do I do first? Do I just start cleaning? Do I run outside and get my body wash so that that's done and I don't have to go back outside? Do I film first? Do I film the TikToks? But I'm also lazy to like change my clothes to go outside because I know it's cold out there. Okay, this is too much talking. My mind is in too many places. I gotta go. Okay, I decided I'm gonna clean first. We're gonna tidy up this room, try to do it quickly because it's already like almost noon and I gotta get stuff done. Come and slide by 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. Running for your fucking hair, to running for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. Girl, I got you another dress, so bring your ass up down them stairs. I buy you shit because you wear it. It's 12:30 now. Bathroom is clean. She's looking good, smelling good. I also tidied up my room. There was stuff all over this dresser. Half of my sheets are being washed right now, so I just threw the blanket over the bed so that it looks okay. But yeah, tidied up the room, cleaned off my little table right here. I need to put those shoes back in the box. Actually, those are the shoes that I wanted to make the video for today. I wanted to make a video styling them. It should be out before this one. It should be my last video if you guys are watching this one. You should definitely go watch that. I'll link it below. But while we wait for my sheets to come out the machine, I wanted to give you guys a little try on haul. I feel like I have a lot of things that I got recently, so I'm just gonna show you guys everything. So buckle up, let's get into it. First thing I got is this bubblegum pink sweatsuit. This is from Zara. I got it because first of all, it's pink, but also I'm going on a vacation soon. I feel like I've said that in like almost every single vlog for the past like month or two. But anyways, my trip is next month. Finally, so we have about 4 weeks left, I think. Be ready for the prep vlog, be ready for the travel vlog, all of that. It's coming, but I thought this would be just the cutest airport fit, so I got it. I also bought a pink t-shirt to wear under it, but the t-shirt doesn't match as well as I thought it would. So here's the tee, and this is kind of like how it looks all together. Moving over to my bathroom now. I've been wanting to start getting into makeup a little more, so when Sephora was having its Sephora sale, I picked up some things. We got the Sephora Collection Micro Smooth Powder. We got this LYS Beauty Contour Stick because I do not have a contour. This is that. I tried it out once so far. I think I like it. I think I need to try it out one more time to confirm. I also heard that these are really good. These are the Sephora Collection Best Skin Ever Concealers. I got a light one for a brightening shade, and then this one kind of like matches my skin for concealing all the dark marks. And then this was not from the Sephora sale, but I also picked up this MAC lip squirt. It's kind of like a jelly, I don't know. It's kind of like in a chapstick tube, but it's really glossy. It's also plumping. I actually really like that. This is also very popular all over TikTok. This is the e.l.f. Liquid Camo Blush, and in the shade Coming in Hot Pink. I actually love this. It's actually really good. And then lastly, I also got the e.l.f. Hydro Grip Primer. Hydro Grip? No, the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, which is a dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. If you've tried any of these products before, definitely comment down below. Let me know how you guys like them, because I would love to know. Also, if you are interested in seeing any of my makeup content, so you'll definitely see some on TikTok, so you should definitely go follow me on TikTok. One of the TikToks I actually wanted to film today was a makeup video. So I wanted to film the makeup video, and then when my makeup is all done, then I wanted to film the YouTube video of me styling those shoes. So we'll see if we get all that done today. But that's it for my haul. Actually, I also got these new glasses recently. Like, are these so cute? I love the little tortoise pattern. They are from a brand called FIRMOO. If you guys want some glasses, they have regular glasses, and you can get them without a prescription if you don't need glasses. And they also have sunglasses, which you could have not prescription or prescription. I'll put the link in the description if you guys want to go shop and get 50% off. So cleaning is pretty much done. We're just waiting for the sheets, like I was saying. So essentially now all I have to do is go to the store because I'm running low on body wash and filming. I feel like I should just film first, like start filming right now, because for the filming I need the daylight. Let's get to filming. I have yet to make any content yet, but we're taking a little lunch break. I just heated up some of the spaghetti that I made for dinner last night. Excited, hungry, I'm gonna eat.